In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft OneDrive error code 0x8004def7 in just 5 minutes. This specific error can often appear unexpectedly, leaving users puzzled and frustrated, but don't worry, we're going to take it step by step to resolve this issue effectively. To begin, you'll want to log into your Microsoft account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials associated with your OneDrive service. Open your preferred web browser and head over to the Microsoft account login page. Enter your email and password and you should see your account dashboard once you're signed in. Next, we're going to access the Apps Launcher. This is essentially the gateway to your Microsoft apps, and it's located in the upper left corner of your account dashboard. Click on the Apps Launcher, which resembles a small grid or waffle icon. From here, select OneDrive, which will direct you to your OneDrive interface. This step is crucial as it ensures we're focusing on the correct application where the error has occurred. Once you're inside OneDrive, it's time to check the storage space. Sometimes the error can stem from insufficient storage availability. Look towards the bottom left of the OneDrive window where the storage status is usually displayed. If you're approaching your storage limit, this might be the root cause of the error. If you detect that storage is an issue, consider freeing up some space. Delete any unnecessary files or folders that you no longer need. These could be old documents, photos, or videos that have been backed up elsewhere. By doing so, you'll not only potentially resolve the error, but also ensure that you have space for future storage needs. Alternatively, if you prefer working directly on your desktop, locate the OneDrive cloud icon on your taskbar. This is a quick way to access OneDrive settings without going through the web interface. Click on the cloud icon and then proceed to the settings option. Navigate to the account tab within settings, and here is where we will unlink OneDrive. Unlinking and then relinking can refresh your connection and resolve sync issues that might be causing the error. Once you've clicked to unlink, you'll notice it disconnects your account. Don't worry, you'll be prompted to sign back in. Just re-enter your credentials and you're all set. After signing back in, OneDrive should start syncing immediately, and with any luck, the error code 0x8004def7 will be a thing of the past. If you're still experiencing issues, it might be worth checking for app or system updates that could address underlying bugs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Remember to like and subscribe for more tech solution videos.